In today's video, I bring you a medium and long-term trading strategy, which can be used for any type of financial asset, but it is advisable to use it in Forex. The indicators that will be used will simply be the Bollinger Bands and the MACD indicator. In my case, I'm going to be testing this strategy on the 4-hour chart on the euro-dollar, but you can use the financial asset that you prefer. The first thing we will have to do is select the Bollinger Bands. We will leave these bands with the parameters that come by default, and we will put the white bands. The second indicator that we will use will be the MACD indicator. We will also leave this indicator with the default parameters, but we will change the colors to the following ones: white, red, green, and white. In addition, we will disable the MACD line and the signal line. To carry out a buy operation, we will simply have to wait for the price to be outside the Bollinger Bands and a green bar appears on the MACD. If this is true, we will carry out the buy operation. We will put our stop loss below these last candles, and our take profit when the price touches the central band. To carry out a sell operation, we will simply have to wait for the price to be outside the Bollinger Bands and a red bar appears on the MACD. If this is true, we will carry out the sell operation. We will put our stop loss above these last candles and our take profit when the price touches the central band. In case the price is very close to the central band, we will not carry out any operation, since we would have practically no profit. Let's look at some examples to better understand the strategy. And ready. I hope this strategy has been useful to you. Do not forget that before trying it with real money, you need to try it in a demo account so that you can put it into practice by yourself. Do not forget to subscribe so as not to miss any strategy, as we upload the best strategies every week.